Need help with dog-related issues? This video is for you. When it comes to learning, we never stop. Whether it be new cooking techniques or new driving routes, we're always picking up new information. When it comes to dogs, there is always something new to learn. This video provides you with today's top tips that show you all about dogs. If you are looking for a great family pet, but are on a budget, consider rescuing an animal. You can get one at a local shelter for minimal cost, and the dog will come with a clean bill of health and all his shots. If you are interested in a specific breed, contact a rescue group specializing in only those pooches. Start training your dog as soon as you bring them home. Create a vocabulary list that all your family members will use to command the dog and stick to it. Dogs can become confused if the same words are not used to give them directions. The dog will see "get over here" and "come" as two different commands. Your pet needs vaccinations, much in the same way that your baby does. Some common vaccinations that dogs require include rabies, hepatitis, and distemper. Each pet is different, and each will have a different immunization schedule. Your veterinarian is a great resource when it comes to which vaccinations are right for the age and breed of your pet. Your dog needs a stimulating environment if it is going to live a long and healthy life. Providing him or her with one is not really that hard. Simply make sure you take your dog for walks each day, and purchase a few toys that you and your pet can play with together. Some people like to learn by watching, while others like to learn by doing. You need to attempt learning in both ways. The first was watching this video, which you have completed. The second is starting to use the tips to see which work for you and which don't, so get to it. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.